Hi, this is Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new and you have not subscribed yet to my channel, you might want to do so if you enjoy almost daily videos that have to do with paper crafting and specifically junk journals. I do lots of tutorials and fun things like we're going to do today. This is not a traditional video that I normally do. I'm going to be celebrating my 1 year on Etsy. June is my 1 year anniversary on Etsy. I never thought that I would be where I am a year ago. When I opened my shop, it was a total experiment. I usually don't like to try things that are that risky, and I spent many months concerned and worried about you know, how I was doing and if I was going to be able to continue doing this or not. And I'm in a real good groove and I love what I'm doing. I love each and every one of you. And so I put together 10 free packages, free junk journal packets as a thank you. There's 10 here. And, excuse me. The first 10 people who purchase at least a $50 order in my shop, it could be on anything, will get this put in for free. So you would get, I'm going to go through here quickly, and then once I'm done showing you this, I'm going to talk about a little bit of how I got here and some people who were extremely influential in my success. So I have this beautiful wallpaper, and there's 10 of them. They're folded in half. So I think you can cover any size journal pretty much, 9 by 6, even a little bigger, and have some leftover. So you would get one of those. And then I grabbed a whole bunch of vintage type book pages that I wanted to share with you. Well, if I can get these up. First we have, these are from they're reprints from a early 1900s like catalog. And so I have, you'll get one of those. And then this Japanese paper, you will get a page of that. And then a page from the spelling book. I love how there's some writing on some of the pages. This is from 1928. It's an 8th year spelling type book. And then I have this American Victorian furniture book. So you'll get one of those sheets. And then one of these travel sheets. They're semi-gloss, beautiful images. These are from Italy. So you'll get one of those. I love this set of books. And then this is from European Carpets. It's a book called European Carpets. And you'll get a page from that book and then a page from a 1950s French-English dictionary. And then you'll get a swatch of this dressmaker's fabric that I bought at a local quilt shop. And it's all beaded. I don't know if you can tell that. And I don't even know if I'm in focus because I can't see. Probably not. But it is beautifully beaded. Oh my. Sorry about that. Okay, it is beautifully beaded and all these tiny little beads. Beautiful for fabric tip-in or pocket, so you'll get one of those. And then one of these vintage thrift store lace pieces that are great for see-through pockets. I love using these as pockets. And then this is pretty special. I got these from Above Par Crafts, and I inked them up and I embossed a keyhole, because to me a book is a doorway to another world. And I thought that would be really neat to put in a book. So they're embossed with like this antique bronze. It kind of looks gold. So you'll get one of those, and then you'll also get one of these trivia cards. So those are for the first 10 orders over $50, and I'll just slip that in as a thank you for supporting my shop. If you have an open order with me, I combine shipping and I refund that shipping. When I ship, I try to ship multiple together. If I pay more, if you paid more shipping than it was, I refund. So I wanted to let you know that. Then I just wanted to talk for a couple minutes about some people who were extremely influential in my success, and I wanted to thank them. I'm going to start back to when I began. I started out as an admin over on a group called Swap It. That doesn't even really exist anymore. But it was, we swapped pocket letters and flip books and things like that. And then when I decided to branch out a little bit more and outside of that community and into making more things, Norella from Calico Collage accepted me on her design team. I did not even have a YouTube channel at that time. She was my push to start a YouTube channel. And I'm not on her design team currently. I've been working with my own design team, but she and I are still friends on Facebook, and I still use her kits and promote her all the time. She has beautiful images, but she's very kind and sweet, and she gave me that push when I really needed it. And then also Jessica from over at I'm a Cool Mom. She was another push for me to start my YouTube channel, and she put up with me for months as I was trying to befriend her. I wanted to be like her. I still do. She is amazing and kind and sweet and has become my best YouTube friend. And I just love her so much. And also Nick the Booksmith. I would pore over her videos and just ooh and ah over all of her amazingness and wonder, how does she do it? Well, she finally came out with a course, the Booksmithers course, and I took it. And I was also had the opportunity to be on her design team at one point and do a project for her. And she just really upped my bookmaking skills to the next level. And she is so funny and so kind and so amazing. So Nick definitely helped me become a better bookmaker. And then I want to talk about two of my favorite YouTubers that I like to watch to calm me down and give me inspiration, and that would be Wendy from Wendy's Journal Adventure and Paula from Paula Lemon. I go to their videos over and over again because I know what to expect. I know that they are going to be sweet, soothing, kind, genius, beautiful, and they make the world a so much better place to live in, especially if you're a crafter. And I just love watching their videos. And then what I watch to continue to better myself and to learn new things would be Jibid Neri. And I've chatted with her a little bit. I don't really know her that well, but her work is incredible. And I watch her videos as if they were required textbook courses in junk journaling, because I am blown away with her work. So she has definitely made me a better bookmaker and artist. And then I want to talk about Sherry. And Sherry and I started back out at Swap It, and she's just been a friend. We can message back and forth and talk about stuff. She's the type of friend that says that where I'll be like, hey, I'm looking for charms, and she'll drop charms in the mail the same day for me. We've done design team projects for each other, but we go a couple years back now, and I just love Sherry so much, and she's just been a good friend to me through all of this. I also want to thank Jennifer from Genevieve Designs for helping my Etsy shop. She kind of contacted me and gave me some tips and a little bit of a push in the right direction as far as some things I could do to increase sales and increase things. And so it just really means a lot that she reached out to me and gave me those tips that really helped take my shop to the next level. Now I have so many orders, I don't know what to do with them all. I just keep working through them every day. The piles of envelopes that I send out almost daily, the mailman must think I'm crazy, but I want to thank Jennifer. Now, there's two of my customers that I want to give a little shout out and a thank you to. Every single one of my customers is absolutely amazing, but I've made over 1,500 sales on Etsy, and there's no way I could name everybody, so I'm going to pick two. And the first one is Ying Ya. I don't think that she will ever know how much that she helped my business and what she means to me. She has bought so many of my journals. When I was first starting out, most of my orders were from her. She consistently supported my shop. She has sent me happy mail time and time again, encouraging words, lovely words. And sometimes when you're starting out, you need somebody like that who believes in you when you're not big and you're not noticed. And I just wanted her to know that none of that was ever taken for granted, and that she helped me be who I am today. And then also another one I want to mention is Mandy, and she has entrusted me with a few very big bulk orders, and we're becoming pen pals and friends. She has little kids as well, but she's constantly pushing me, and recently, because she's one of my newer customers, but she's pushing me to try new things and branch out, and she has an incredible eye for journaling, and she entrusts me with multiple journals that she's going to be using for very important things in her life. And then I just want to thank every single one of you for the orders that you consistently place and the trust and joy that you put in my shop every single day. So thank you for 1 year on Etsy. I hope you enjoy the freebies. Have a lovely day. And now I need to get back to making the next journal to get out. Thank you and have a wonderful day.